a joyous day. Anybody else have a story to tell?
Because my enemies did try, but couldn't triumph over me.
Oh, but yes, my enemies did
yes,
try.
they did try, but couldn't triumph over me.
But as long as I got God on my side, I have no worries. My enemies can try all they want. But I believe in something else. I believe in a higher power. So we're going to tell you about his love again.
Love is patient, caring. Love is kind.
Yes, it is.
Love is felt most when it's genuine. But I've had my share of love. Manipulated, and it's
know today God has favor.
God favors me.
In your trials, in your tests, in your hard times, don't worry.
God favors me.
Attack your character, attack your integrity, but don't worry, no, no.
God favors me.
Touch your neighbor, encourage the person next to you. Tell them I got it, tell them I got it, and I can say yes to your will.
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
'Cause I
God
got it.
favors me.
Through my trials,
Yes.
my difficulties,
Yes.
through the hard,
Yes.
I
God
found it.
favors me.
Favor,
Yes.
favor.
Yes.
I've got it, I've
Yes.
got it.
God favors me.
I've got it.
Yes.
And the Lord gave it
Yes. Yes. God favors me.
Wondering why I did not die. I'll be happy to tell you why.
God favors me.
No longer do I cry when fake friends say goodbye.
God favors me.
Now one day the well was dry, but I had the same reply.
God favors me.
Evil try to bring me down the side, but God says again I rise, and I can say
Yes.
to your will.
Yes.
Say
Yes. God favors me.
Difficult
Yes.
through my trials.
Yes.
See God
Yes. God favors me. Yes.
do something that
Yes. Yes. God favors me.
Oh yes. How many of you know God has